Dear parents and teachers, welcome to this channel Kids Intelligence once again. Do you know, without consciously teaching our children, every time, every moment, we are teaching them. They are learning something from us. How? Because their sensory organs are already open to receive information from everywhere. So even though intentionally if we are not teaching them, they are anyways taking something from us. They are receiving visuals, they are receiving images, they are looking at us, how we are talking to our family members, how we are dealing with the things, how we are behaving. They are watching us. They are listening to us. They are catching our dialogues, and that is why actually kids mimic us. They are registering our dialogues through this sensory organ. They are experiencing how we are behaving with them. They are experiencing the emotions. They are experiencing the surrounding. So anyways, they are learning something from us. And those repeated learnings, those repeated visuals, those repeated dialogues, those repeated experiencing are creating their subconscious beliefs. And these subconscious beliefs are like a foundation for their whole life. Let us take an example of ourselves. You just think about yourself, your current behavior or your current belief. Belief is nothing but a simple thought which is very strong. Okay, your thought about yourself is created in your childhood. These strong thoughts, those are beliefs about career, about yourself, about your health, about your relationship, about finances and money, and so many other aspects as well. So when our kids are around us, they are actually creating their thoughts about themselves and about life as well. It means we are actually responsible to build their foundation of their life. Do you agree with this? Then as a responsible parent or teacher, do we need to really stress out that we are responsible, we have a lot of responsibilities and all? I think we don't need to stress out. If we become conscious about whatever we are speaking, if we become conscious about how we are behaving, if we become conscious about how we are communicating with them, and we really need not to be stressed out if we are happy with ourselves. So our every word matters, or every action matters, or every thought or feeling matters a lot for ourselves as well as for our kids. So let's be aware of it and be conscious about what we are speaking to them, what we are giving them. Because remember, our behavior, actions, our words are creating their life. As a parent, as a teacher, we can also decide what to pour, what to nurture. They will grow according to their nature. Their nature is not in our hand, but our nurturing is in our hand. So let's do our part in the best possible way. Thank you so much. This is Shubhada Bhave, teacher, trainer, entrepreneur and parent.